If you want to install a VPN app on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can simply go to the Play Store, and then over here we can tap on search, and at the top of the field we can search for VPN, unless you have the name of the app, of the specific VPN app that you want to install on your phone. Even if you type VPN, you can find many different example apps, so you can try them out. Some of them allow you to use more features without an account or for free. And in some cases, you have to actually pay to be able to use these VPN apps. So it's up to you which one you're gonna try. In my case, I'm gonna install this one as an example. And if you like it, you can of course try it out as well. And like I said, feel free to try anything from that list. So once the app is installed, of course, we want to open it. So let's do so. Now, in the case of this VPN app, we can actually continue as guests, so we don't have to sign into any of the accounts. You don't have to create an account to use that app. And also you might have like a premium offer or something, but most of the time you can just simply close that and you don't have to purchase a premium. And there we go. Now you should be able to connect to a network. In this case, this specific app, we can connect to one of the available free servers. And there we go. That's all you have to do. You can of course also go through settings of the app. I'm sure every app has some of the settings available that allow you to adjust how the VPN should work, I assume. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.